What's going on, guys? So we're outside, we got the trucks ready, about to head out to the show. We're vendors, so we don't gotta wait in line, but look at this hotel got a little pond next door, go on the side of it. Looks pretty nice. Got the trucks all ready to head out. This one's up next. I'm gonna be painting it, so you stay tuned for this video. It's gonna be a custom color 1 out of 1 that we'll be doing. Here's HP Racer Performance and Suspension, their truck and their shop's truck. It's just nice. It's boosted. Shit's nice. What's up, man? How you doing? How much this one pushing? Yeah. 12? Oh, that's nice.
Open that door.
And that's it? Sheesh. What size turbo?
That one, it's a Pro Series, bro. It's like it's a Promo 88. It calls.
Promo 88.
Yeah, but this one he pushed like the Dovo or more than the Dovo.
Oh, and it's nitro, huh?
Yeah, than just a regular turbo. Yeah, this one it has a lot more flow, like flow. Like Dovo or triple than the regular ones.
It's nice. Make sure to follow his YouTube channel at HP Racers. Sheesh, we're rolling deep. Hey, go a little bit forward. Hey, go a little bit forward. There's white people want to get out. So guys, I'm ready here to Colorado Truck Madness. The line is insane. There's lines left and right. I'm here with Eloy and a few of my other homies. We're here at the vendor line. We're walking over here so I could get my wristbands and my tickets. But yeah, guys, look at this. The line is insane. There's lines left and right. The highway's packed. Look at this truck. Sheesh. Shit's nice. Right. They're checking vehicles right now. ¿Cómo está?
Bien. A ver si de repente vamos por allá, está lejos, pero vamos a hacer la vuelta.
Sí, me voy a parquear.
Ya está, amigo.
Ahorita vengo. Look at the tow pig. This thing is nice. So I'm gonna show you guys what's out here at the truck show in Colorado. Look at this. This platy's nice. I'm gonna get one of these one day, just stay tuned. Wow, this one's nice too. Team Billet. Sheesh. This one's my favorite one, and the Platy. The guys detailing their whips. Team Billet, Colorado chapter, guys. There's another Platy right here. Andamos.
Bonito clima aquí en Colorado.
So guys, we came here to the Burnout pit. Check out the Tacuachas doing their desmadre. Hell yeah. Jerry, keep going! ¿Lo vas a asustar, Isma?
Gracias. Pero arriba la América, ¿no? Muchas gracias. You don't got a marker?
It's crazy how many fans Isma and Freddie have. It's fucking ridiculous.
el viejo, una paleta, mira. Está caliente, está caliente.
Puras fuerzas hay aquí. ISMA and Freddy are going up next. As you can see, ISMA is repping the painters. Here's a truck. We just gotta wait in line. Fuck waiting in line. We're gonna bring ISMA right in.
I'll crack that in.
Right now?
Yeah, the parts of the motor right here.
¿Por qué no te la llevaste a patinar?
What happened? Bro, I think I thought it was a socket at first. It looked like a socket.
Chingó su madre, pero todo está bien. No pasa nada.
Aquí, we're gonna pick it up, put it back in the motor.
Some light.
Se mamó. Hell yeah! AZ!
Hey, does it still run though?
Right here we got Jerry Tweak single cab, the 2021. Look at that, this shit's nice. And we got Kelvin's sideways screen from Arizona. Blew the tires off. And messed up the fucking rear bumper. Look at that. Sheesh, look at the rim.